Welcome to the Resultant Velocity Interactive Calculator, which solves vector addition problems for combining two velocities at any angle. Let's explore the input fields. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: resultant velocity from v1, v2, and angle, first velocity v1, second velocity v2, angle between vectors, component form, and direction angle. For this demonstration, we're using resultant velocity mode. Next, we have first velocity v1 in meters per second, second velocity v2 in meters per second, and angle between vectors in degrees. Now for our worked example. We'll input first velocity v1 as 15.0 meters per second, second velocity v2 as 8.5 meters per second, and an angle between vectors of 45.0 degrees. After clicking Calculate, we get 4 results. The resultant magnitude is 21.853 meters per second, showing the combined velocity's total speed. The direction angle is 15.96 degrees, measured from the first velocity vector v1. The x component is 21.010 meters per second, and the y component is 6.010 meters per second, representing the horizontal and vertical parts of our resultant vector. This calculator streamlines complex vector calculations for any engineering application. Find the link in the description below.